Paloma Campo of Beuhi, Women Empowering Compassion Through Technology. In the heart of innovation lies a tale of creativity, compassion, and unwavering determination. This story begins not in a sterile laboratory or a corporate boardroom, but through familial influences and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Last week, I sat down with Paloma Campo, the visionary founder and chief information officer of Beuhi. I was immediately struck by the vivacity and passion that radiated from her every word. Paloma Campo, creator, cook, designer. Paloma's journey is a testament to the power of interdisciplinary thinking and the transformative potential of women in STEM careers. Raised in a family where creativity flowed as freely as conversation, she credits her physicist and mechanical engineer, father, and language and literature professor mother for instilling in her a love for both the arts and the sciences. "My family creates stuff," she remarked with a smile, tracing her family tree of architects, photographers, and designers. "We all cook, we all design, we all imagine." But it was a moment of profound empathy that ignited Paloma's foray into the world of cannabis-infused products, a journey fueled by a friend's battle with a debilitating illness. Witnessing the limitations of traditional treatments and the inconsistency of dispensary-bought edibles, Paloma set out on a mission to provide her friend with relief and reliability. He couldn't understand how one gummy would work wonders one day only to falter the next, she recalled with a furrowed brow. "I knew there had to be a better way." With scientific curiosity as her compass and culinary expertise as her guide, Paloma set out to craft formulations that offered potency and precision. Through countless iterations and rigorous testing, she perfected her recipes, emerging with more than just a tasty treat. She unveiled a promise of consistency, quality, and above all, compassion. As I listened to Paloma's story unfold, it became clear that she designed the Beuhi appliance not just through digital influences and robotic intelligence, but with true human compassion and empathy. The magic of Beuhi. Paloma's mission extended far beyond personal experimentation. Each step forward meant refining her formulations and laying the groundwork for a revolution in botanical-infused products. Collaboration became key as Paloma joined forces with David Martin, a longtime friend whose expertise in startups and entrepreneurship provided the necessary foundation to turn her vision into reality. A new era in DIY health and wellness. At the heart of Beuhi lies a commitment to quality and consistency, a commitment that is reflected in every aspect of its design. From the easy cartridge-based system to the intuitive app interface, every element has been meticulously crafted to ensure a seamless user experience. But perhaps Beuhi's true magic lies in its versatility. Its universal canister can accommodate any botanical or nutraceutical ingredient, from powdered vitamins to liquid supplements to cannabis oils, and the possibilities are endless. Gone are the days of cumbersome dosing and guesswork. Thanks to Beuhi's intuitive app, users can now enjoy precise dosing and potency with just the tap of a screen. And safety? That's non-negotiable, according to Paloma. With a built-in lockout feature that ensures the machine remains inaccessible until the user returns with their phone, Beuhi provides peace of mind in an industry often plagued by uncertainty. The machine doesn't have any buttons on it. It's all managed by the app, so only the person who starts the machine can turn it off or unlock it, Paloma explained. But perhaps the most remarkable aspect of Beuhi is its simplicity. The cartridges, which come in a variety of flavors in gummies and chocolates, contain just 5 all-natural ingredients, a testament to Paloma's commitment to quality and transparency. Excited by the innovation, Paloma and her team are now looking for investors to help take Beuhi from prototype to production. "We have a prototype that's thoroughly tested, and the technology works. We are just actively seeking investors to get to full production," she added. Encouraging women in STEM. As we wrapped up our interview, it was clear that Paloma's groundbreaking innovation of Beuhi embodies the essence of compassion, creativity, and unwavering determination. From the humble beginnings of familial influences to the pinnacle of botanical-infused technology, Paloma's story resonates as a testament to the transformative power of women in STEM. As the cannabis industry continues to gain momentum, it's essential to recognize and celebrate the invaluable contributions of women like Paloma. Their interdisciplinary thinking, empathy-driven approach, and desire for excellence pave the way for a future where inclusivity and innovation coexist. By embracing women-designed innovations in STEM, we we harness the full spectrum of talent and creativity and pave the way for a more equitable and prosperous society. Paloma's experience reminds us that the future is ours to imagine and to create.